Many times we say, I will do this tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes the next week. Next week becomes the next month. In this way, we delaying our work. Time and tide wait for none. It means time doesn't stop for everyone. Time moves at the same speed for everyone. Don't watch clock. Do what it does. Keep going. It means instead worrying about time, we should keep working continuously. Think scared.
You are talking about take long break. Take long break.
Good evening, everyone. Today I would like to tell about a very important topic in our life. It is the value of time. Time is one of the most precious things in our life. It is more valuable than money. We can earn money again if we lose it. We can buy new things if they are damaged, but we never get that time that has passed in our life. Every day we get 24 hours. How we use these 24 hours decides our future. If we use properly time, we can achieve and success. If we lose it regularly, we face failure and regret later. Laziness and procrastinations are the biggest enemies of time. Many times we say, I will do this tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes the next week. Next week becomes the next month. In this way, we delaying our work. This habit can destroy our future. Instead, we should try to do our work today, not tomorrow. So, we follow the time. Time is the most important for the student life. We study regularly or complete our work on time. We get good marks in the exam. If we wasting our time by watching movies or using mobile phones for the long hours, we will not have enough time to study. Then we feel stress during the exam. That's why we didn't get the good marks in the exam. So, time management is the very important for the student. When we have exam, that time we prepare timetable with confidence. There is a famous saying, time and tide wait for none. It means time doesn't stop for everyone. Time moves at the same speed for everyone. Whether we are rich or poor, whether we are young or old. So, time as well speed at the same time. So, if we have time, so we must use time. If we do not act at the right time, we may lose good opportunity in our life. So when we get opportunity, it take in our life. Many successful peoples, they always respect time because of they know the value of time. For example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, they used minutes of times in their life usually. They stayed disciplined and they worked hard and they never wasted time in their life. That's why they become the role model for us. I would like to tell, don't watch clock. Do what it does. Keep going. It means instead worrying about time, we should keep working continuously. Another one is, yesterday is gone, tomorrow is uncertain, today is a gift. It means we cannot change the past and control the future. So, we must use today usually. Another one is the time is like a river that flow continuously. If we do not use it properly, it slips away from our hand. So, we use properly time in our life. Don't waste our time for unnecessary activities. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this stage. Thank you, everyone.
Super, amazing. Now I would like to call on stage. Yes, you please come on stage.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to tell short speech. Don't just don't give up. English is not a difficult. It is a feels difficult because of it is new. Anything new feels it is challenging at first. You must learn. You take a breathe, deep breath, and take small, be positive and thoughts. And some you think something about think. You think scare.
Come on. What is happening? You are talking about take long breath. Take long breath. Take long breath and then express.
Think something about you, and take a time, and you with practice, and you spend your English practice, you must becomes a easy. Then that's how to learning English. The more practice, the more you practice English, the more the familiar becomes. It is you feel like if you feel like positive, you force it and grow. It is not a don't afraid of difficulty. Just growth of it is part of growth. Thank you.